Hey there, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Dirt Road Salvation. Whew. I hope y'all can hear me over this wind. I've been fighting windstorms for the whole week, man. It's been nuts. Surprised Tank's not photobombing us up there. But anyway, I wanted to start this off here. We're in Wyoming, and look how beautiful it is out here, y'all. It's just wide open. Everything's just beautiful. Sorry, I'm not moving more. I'm trying to stay in front of the truck to block some of the wind from you. But anyway, so yeah, we're in Wyoming, and we're on our way down to San Diego. We started up in Montana, ended up picking up a load in Colony, Wyoming. We're on our way down to San Diego. Once we finally get there, we'll... Oh, hey, yeah. There's the dog photobombing us. But yeah, once we finally get there, get done, we'll be like 2 blocks from Tijuana. I love y'all. Let's enjoy the trip, guys. It appears that we're done for the day. Apparently, I shaved my head at the wrong time of year because we're stopped just shy of Utah. Man, them hills and hollers were nasty to get over today. And just wasn't a really good running day. We've been running pretty slow trying to get out of there since we're fully loaded and we're like right on the cusp of 80,000 pounds with a full tank of fuel. So, that's going to be it for this. We are done for today, and it's time for me to get some lunch. Well, hello, we're back. So, on our trip here, we're running through the Mojave, and we are going to be in the middle of the desert. And I woke up this morning, and there were some wind warnings and things of that nature. And where I started out in Utah, just above Arizona, which was above Nevada, down in the corner around the Las Vegas area, they were talking about some wind, and I didn't really think it was going to be that bad. And the further south I went, the further into the desert I got, the worse that the actual wind got to be. So, last I looked at it, let me pull this up here. They're calling for sustained 35 to 45 mile an hour winds and 65 mile an hour wind gusts. And it's not so much that I think that I can't make it because I'm pretty heavy and it don't really blow me around that much. It's everybody else that's getting blown in and out of their lanes that makes me nervous. So we're going to be parked until about 3 o'clock in the morning when the wind dies down, since we have the window to deliver then. So. Hey, so yeah, this has turned out to be quite a wonderful day. Oh, and y'all see me with my baldness out. Woo, no good. But, oh well. Yeah, it looks like it was wise to shut down when we did, because, we just got this, nice warning here. It says, National Weather Service dust storm warning in the area. Be ready for sudden drop to zero visibility. Pull aside, stay alive when visibility drops. Blah, 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 blah. Well, needless to say, it's already started. As I will show as the video here, we'll put some of that over here. But yeah, so apparently we're gonna sit here and watch a dust storm roll through. Yeah, the whole truck all day long, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Man, the wind is absolutely ridiculous out here right now. So, yep, there it goes. It's rocking again. Yeah, these wind gusts, man, ain't been no joke. Like Yeah, I might have been a little hesitant at first, but it looks like, paying attention to what my gut was telling me and what the good Lord upstairs was telling me and him looking out for us, that it was a good idea to pull over when we did. So, yep, there it goes. Man, those wind gusts ain't nothing to mess with, y'all. But, well, it is what it is. So, we're going to hang out, and I guess me and Tank's going to watch some TV and watch this dust storm roll through. Goodness, everything is shaking. I mean, goodness, it's ridiculous. I'm being blown around like crazy. So, almost enough to get. if you've ever been on an ocean cruise or like been on the ocean or like a really choppy lake, it's kind of like that, trying to sleep and you're constantly back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I mean, it's kind of annoying, but it is what it is. So good news is it's not going to last forever, but hey, this is trucking. It is part of what it is. At least we're parked, we're safe, and we're going to stay out of this as much as possible. So in the future, when in doubt, park it. If you don't feel up to the task or you feel like things are getting too crazy, park the truck. It's a safety call to park the truck and to get to where you're going alive and be a day late than it is to show up a month late in a casket to your family. So, all right, I'll see you after the sand. I got a story to tell you. I was so totally gonna record, trying to get down there, and it was a total sham the whole way there. I mean, just traffic was horrible. Traffic was atrocious. Getting there was just a chore and a half. Anybody who knows anything about, going south in California, once you start getting around the LA area and traffic jams and that I-10, I-8, I-5, it's messy. It's very, very messy. But the good news is we made it. We got delivered. And I'm telling you, this thing was literally 2 blocks from Tijuana. I could take a rock, throw it over the building that was next door, and I could have hit the Mexican border. Like, you could see the wall and everything. Well, that's California. There's probably not a wall. But anyway, that's besides the point. So we get there. You guys squeeze in this little bitty narrow little way that's just wide enough for you to be able to, do a button hook turn, get in there with your tandems all the way forward and just barely by the skin of your teeth get in. And you pull up. They go, yeah, you go through dock such to such, find a hole and shove it in there. And you're looking up here, you got a building here, and then you come around the corner and you got the 2 buildings and then trucks sitting in the dock like this, and there's literally just enough room for 1 truck to squeeze through. And like no room to back up. You got ramps everywhere, you got forklift drivers. Total nightmare. Big, huge interchange place, and I don't recommend anybody going there. If I'd have known it was going to be that big of a headache, I would have never, ever chosen to go there. Like, I do not recommend going down. Like, we were at exit 1C, the very last exit to the United States. The next exit is Mexico, and dealing with border control if you ever come down here. So anyway, yeah, I mean, it was just so tight and there was so much going on. Like, I wasn't even about to risk getting my camera out and trying to video like anything, the whole interaction whatsoever. So I do apologize, but it wouldn't have been worth it anyway. But it is what it is. We got her done. So the good news and the best part is I get to sleep in tomorrow. My next load don't pick up till 12 o'clock in the afternoon, so we are set up and ready to roll, and we's gonna be good and golden, and we're gonna sleep for the next 16 hours because we haven't gotten a whole lot of sleep yesterday between dodging 70-mile-an-hour winds, sandstorms, all kinds of stuff. It's been a rough weekend, and I'm just glad it's over. So, well, I guess today's technically Tuesday, so weekend's been over for a while. But anyway, I'm gonna go to bed. I am so over it, and I am done. Like, look, y'all, my hair's falling out from this last week. I'm done. So, next time y'all see me, we'll probably be on our way back up to good old Los Angeles to go get loaded, and I'm done with the West Coast for a while. I'm going back east. We're done, y'all. I'll see you in the morning. Well, y'all, we made it. We are here in Riverside, and we are getting loaded. And, oh, buddy, I had to go cut the sleeves off one of my old shirts because it's hot out here. I think it's like 75, 80 degrees. I mean, it's still cold where I live, so. But yeah, me and old Tank, we made it. We're getting loaded. We got lunch up in the oven. We're gonna have a great day. I can see it now. So yeah, there's a bit of a snowstorm coming up north. So rather than running up the most direct way and going over Vale and all of that and potentially end up getting the pass shut down, we're going to run south through 40, go over to Albuquerque and shoot up to Colorado that way. So anyway, I'm going to get some lunch in me, and I'll see y'all when we get stopped later. Hey, happy people! We made it! We're getting unloaded. If you can tell. Do we got it? Oh, it's still red. They're still unloading us. So anyway, so yeah, we're here. Finally made it. We're getting unloaded. While we're getting unloaded, we got some of that good old Spam over there cooking in the skillet. So, woo, there ain't nothing coming out of here for the whole weekend. I gotta love Easter. I mean, thank God for the holiday and for what it means. But not so good on trying to book freight and keep moving. So if we don't have anything on us by Easter, we're going to deadhead out of Colorado and take it into Kansas. So nothing on there right now, but who knows, anything could change. So old Tank down there trying. What are you trying to do? You trying to get my Spam? Quit it. Down there trying to steal my Spam, that little mutt. But all right, y'all. Well, I hope they like their mattresses because it was fun trying to get it to them. So, but all right, y'all. That's it for now.